Juanita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Juanita and today I will show you how to make sont or sukku. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 cups of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. 2 cups of water, 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric, 4 teaspoons of sugar. You can always add sugar according to your taste. 2 teaspoons of carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. To make sont or sukku, take a saucepan, put it on medium heat, add water, milk, turmeric, carom seeds, ginger powder, sugar, and black pepper. Give it a good mix and bring this to a boil. When it starts to boil, lower the heat and simmer it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the heat off and strain it into a teapot or jug using a strainer. My sont or sukku is ready. Drink it warm whenever you have a sore throat, runny nose, chesty or dry cough. This may or may not work for you. Give it a go. You won't know unless you try it.
If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.